Hi friends, here we are given A, B, C, they are in arithmetic progression. At the same time, A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. We are also given A less than B less than C and A plus B plus C equals 3 by 2. A, B, C in arithmetic progression and sum of these three numbers is 3 by 2. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, what does that mean? Automatically, B is the average of all three, right? B equals A plus C by 2 or the sum of these three numbers. B is the average of 3, right? B is at the center of A and C. That means sum of these three numbers should be equal to 3B only, right? A plus B plus C equals 3 by 2. What does that mean? Automatically, B is half, right? A plus B plus C is 3B. B is half. That's why it is 3 by 2. Just by looking at this, we know this, right? So, or otherwise also, we can call the middle one as B and the A as B minus D and C as B plus D. Then also these 3D, this D and this D will get cancelled. 3B equals 3 by 2 or B equals half. Right. But just by looking at this, when three numbers are in AP, we should be able to directly say that the B equals to half. Right. Now, if B is half, what is A? What is A is B minus D. Right. B minus half. Right? Or sorry, B minus D and C is B plus D, right? B A is B minus D and C is B plus D, right? B is at the middle, D is the common difference, right? Now, A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. What does that mean? The square of the middle one should be equal to product of first one and third terms, right? B square, the square of B square, right? Square of the middle term. Here B square is the middle term, not B. Right. B square, A square, B square, C square are in geometric progression. That was that mean B square whole square. Right. The square of middle one should be equal to product of first and third one, A square and C square. What is B square? B is half. B square whole square is half square whole square. Should be equal to what is A? A is half minus D. Right. B minus D. That is half minus D. A square is half minus D whole square. Right, a square into c square, which is half plus d whole square. Right, if you simplify this becomes half square, which is 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 4 square should be equal to, this is half minus d into half plus d, both squares, right? Half minus d into half plus d, that is a minus b into a plus b, which is half square minus d square. That is 1 by 4 minus d square whole square. 1 by 4 square equals 1 by 4 minus d square whole square. What does that mean? Both are squares. That means 1 by 4 minus d square should be equal to plus or minus 1 by 4. Right. Now, common difference, it cannot be 0. Right. If we take as plus 4, 1 by 4 minus d square equals plus 1 by 4, that means d becomes 0. We don't want d to be 0. Right. We don't want common difference to be 0 because a is less than b is less than c. That means common difference is definitely greater than 0. Right. So clearly we cannot take plus 1 by 4 because if we take plus 1 by 4, then this becomes 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will get cancelled. D becomes 0, which we don't want. So let's take minus 1 by 4. So what does that mean? 1 by 4 minus d square minus 1 equals minus 1 by 4. That means d square equals 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 1 by 2. That means d equals plus or minus 1 by root 2. Now, if D, what is B? What is A? A is B minus D and C is B plus D. A is, what is B? Half minus D. B minus D. Right. D, can we take plus or minus half? No, because A is less than B. Right. If we take minus 1 by root 2, then A becomes greater than B. Right. So that's why A should be less than B. What does that mean? D we will take 1 by root 2 only, positive 1 by root 2 only. So of half plus or minus 1 by root 2, we will not take plus 1 by root 2 because then A becomes greater than B. We'll take half minus 1 by root 2, which is this half minus 1 by root 2. So this is the correct answer. Right, because A is less than B, which is also given. If this condition was not given, if all three are different numbers, then we can take the plus 1 by root 2 also. The order doesn't matter, but here it is given, so order also matters. Right, guys? Thank you.